You know that the product of two positive numbers is positive. For example, 3 times 5 is 15. You can think about the product of a positive number and a negative number in terms of groups of numbers. For example, 3 times negative 5 means 3 groups of negative 5. So 3 times negative 5 equals negative 5 plus negative 5 plus negative 5. Or 3 times negative 5 equals negative 15. You can also derive the product of two negative numbers, such as negative 3 times negative 5. These discussions illustrate the following rules for multiplying real numbers. Take note, key concept, multiplying real numbers. In words, we can say the product of two real numbers with different signs is negative. Examples, 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Negative 2 times positive 3, also negative 6. To model, 2 times negative 3 equals negative 6 on a number line. Well, here is one negative 3 added to a second negative 3, basically two movements of 3 to the left or in the negative direction, leading us to negative 6. Second, in words we can say the product of two real numbers with the same sign is positive. For example, 2 times 3 is 6, and negative 2 times negative 3 is 6. So to model, 2 times 3 is 6. We start at 0, and we move 3 spaces to the right 2 times, ending at the value positive 6. Problem 1, multiplying real numbers. What is each product? Part A, 12 times negative 8. Well, the signs don't match. So like when folding socks, when they don't match, that's a negative thing. So we get negative 96. Part B, 24 times 0.5. Here the signs do match, so just like folding socks, when they match, that's a positive thing. 12. Part C, negative 3/4 times 1/2. The signs don't match, so we'll have a negative result. And 3/4 times 1/2 equals 3/8. So our final answer, negative 3/8. Finally, part D, negative 3 squared. Well, remember, negative 3 squared is just negative 3 times itself. So we have two values being multiplied, both of them negative. Their signs match, which makes it a positive, and 3 times 3 is 9. Your turn. Part A. What is the product? 6 times negative 15. Part B. How about 12 times 0.2? Part C. What's the product? Negative 7/10 times 3/5. And part D. What is the product? Negative 4 squared.